This is a brand new 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This truck has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, the Toyota N-Tune infotainment system, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: air conditioning, full power accessories, a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, automatic locking wheel hubs, tinted glass, LED taillights, a remote entry system, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.